What's going on, guys? So you probably saw in the previous video where we took my 35-inch mud graps off a chomper and put them on Big Betty, which is Lorins 2012 leveled Tahoe. Now, we were pretty vague talking about how bad it rubs, and there was a decent amount of people that were questioning that, so I figured we'd make a quick video and I'd show y'all exactly how bad it does rub, where it rubs, and what I think you could trim to make it work, because there's obviously a lot of people that would love to stuff a big 35 on a leveled truck because it looks amazing. That stuffed look never gets old. It's just awesome. We got the fender liner in here. Obviously, you could run a little bit of a spacer and clear that completely. It doesn't rub if you're on flat ground, but anything even like this where it's off camber, it's getting the liner all through there. It's gotta be close, right? Gotta be. That's like half a turn. Oh yeah, we're right there at it. Right there at it. That's only half a turn. But honestly, that's not that bad. Gonna hit right here, but it's not far from tucking in there. If you look, I can't really see what I'm showing, but I don't think there's much behind the plastic. There's that, hard piece or whatever, but you could definitely trim that. Trim this liner out, and maybe have to cut, just a wee little bit of that corner. Let's see what the backside's looking like. So we still got a decent amount of room before we hit. Mud flap could definitely come off for sure. And then this metal only goes, it might actually clear, but it doesn't go too far in there. You could definitely just do a straight cut on the inside of this. Trim that plastic out. I don't know where the body mount exactly is. Right there. You would have to cut it, bumper, the back part, but honestly wouldn't be that bad, and you could make this clear to where you could probably turn lock to lock and daily drive the crap out of it and look sick while you're doing it. With that being said, this is the last video of Betty White sitting like this. Whew, y'all be excited. It is well, by the time y'all are seeing this, she's probably sitting about a foot taller.